Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to my first in a while luxury unboxing video. As you will see by the title, I'm unboxing a new work bag. It's basically one I've been kind of coveting for a little while, got a dupe of just to make sure that I like the style and it fits my everyday lifestyle, and now here it is, so I'm going to unbox it for you on camera. Comes in the new Louis Vuitton packaging. I've kind of had a sneak peek at it, so it's not like a true unboxing, but I still wanted to unbox it with you guys on camera. I've even got like a smudge mark on it already. So comes with the blue ribbon, which I've already opened, as you know. And it comes with a little gift card, so if you are getting it as a gift for somebody, you could write a nice little message in there. I'm not a huge fan of the new orange and blue packaging. I kind of prefer the old like gold and beige, or like brown and gold, or brown and beige packaging that they had, but whatever. Box comes like this. I ordered it online on the Louis Vuitton website, so it comes with the receipt inside this little pouch, a compliment slip, which just says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton Meletier has continued to innovate since our founding in 1854, developing our heritage of expertise and craftsmanship. We hope you enjoy this purchase for many years to come." And then it's got the client services number on it. And then it opens out with this little holder thingy, and in there is my receipt, gift receipt. Focus, and then it's got like the exchanges and returns policy on there. So I will keep all this stuff with it. I don't intend on like ever selling this, I'll be honest, but if I ever decide to, having proof of purchase and all of that stuff always helps in terms of like the price that you can negotiate. So I'll put those back in that little pouch there and keep that in the bag. The box opens up like that. Nice big box. It comes in this nice big dust bag. So without further ado, here we are. So I got the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size, which is the largest size you can get it in the Damier Ebene print. I went for this print over the monogram print because I just thought it's a bit more of a classic style for me and just a very much simpler everyday look for my work handbag. This is a handbag for if I'm like traveling on the underground or very busy public transportation system where I need something to be close to my person, and this bag does really well with that. Sizing wise, it is pretty damn big. This is also going to be my like travel bag, so like if I need hand luggage and I'm like going away, this is like a good airport bag. I've seen a lot of people use these as airport bags. It's got the adjustable straps on the side, so you can kind of cinch it in, which I don't think I'll ever be doing because I quite like the open style. You can kind of cinch it in and wear it like that if you want it to be a bit more, you know, closed off, but I think I'll be wearing mine fully out, so it's like a very classic tote style. It's got the classic red interior, comes with a nice inside pocket, zippable pockets in case you want to keep more secure items, and of course with the detachable LV pouch, which is really good if you're looking for something just to keep your like essentials in, like money, sunglasses, lipstick, that sort of thing. I am 5'5". I'd say a medium build. Hopefully you can see. This is my new everyday handbag. I'm going to be selling my Mulberry Bayswater on eBay, so if you are interested in picking that one up, do check the links in the description box below. Also check the description box below for a link to this handbag or a similar style. And yeah, you know I have a one in, one out policy of handbags, so it will be my main one from now on. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed that. Do check out my luxury design / luxury playlist on my channel. But otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.